Welcome to AJAX. My name is Stephen Holtzner. I'll be your tour guide on this guided tour of AJAX, and it's a very exciting technology, very impressive, and as a matter of fact, I believe it's the future of web applications is based on AJAX. Using AJAX allows you to check and download data behind the scenes in your web browser, which makes your web browser look a lot more like a true desktop application, because instead of having to get a full web page refresh, you can automatically download data behind the scenes and display it, work with it, and handle it, and show it to the user. As for example, take a look at this new Google Suggest page, which you see here in Internet Explorer at this URL, and you can enter a search term here. For example, if I start searching for AJAX, I'll enter an A, and as you see, what's happened here is that the web page has already checked behind the scenes with the server, the Google server, and has collected matches, possible matches to the most popular matches to my partially entered search term, which is just A for AJAX, and suggested them. So as you see, if you keep going and you type a J for AJAX, then you see there is one of the terms that's already been selected is AJAX with 3,840,000 results. So it's a very impressive display. And all you have to do is select it, and there you are, taken directly to the Google page for AJAX, and you can find all the matches to AJAX on this page. But what's most impressive is that all you've got to do is enter a search term, a partial search term, and behind the scenes the browser checks with the Google website using AJAX techniques, downloads possible matches to your term, displays them for your selection, and when you select the term you go directly to the Google web page. So that's an example of AJAX, because what it does is behind the scenes checks with the server, downloads data, and displays it to you without causing a page refresh. In the old days, you used to have to use a page refresh every time you wanted to display new data, and that gave the web a very fractionated feeling, a very stultifying feeling, because the whole entire page had to be refreshed every time you wanted to check for new data. And now you don't have to cause a page refresh at all. Very exciting technology using AJAX, because you no longer have to cause a page refresh. Instead, you can just simply update the parts of the page you want and work with the server behind the scenes. That makes AJAX applications seem a lot more like desktop applications than web applications. So that's an introduction to AJAX. We're going to be talking about AJAX in this course, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. At least I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I enjoy it, because I think it's a really terrific technology.